Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn lesson number 14, When the Earth Shook. This lesson is based on true story of one girl, and she is telling her experience. She was experienced the earthquake, and she is telling uh, her experience to us in this lesson. So let's see what she is telling to us. A bad dream. She is she is telling, help, help, save me. Ah, oh, there was a screaming and shouting everywhere. The ground was shaking and people were running all around. So all people are saying loudly, help, help, and they are moving all around, screaming loudly. And I got up on hearing me. On my mother also woke up. She came running and held me tightly. It was the same bad dream. It has been more than 6 years now since an earthquake, but in my sleep I still feel the earth shaking and trembling. She is telling there is more 6 years passed away for this earthquake, but she still remember, and every day she experienced bad dream about that earthquake. What is earthquake? Earthquake is a natural disaster that is caused due to the sudden shaking of ground due to the some underground disturbance. Shaking means क्या हिलना. Due to the underground movement, the shaking of ground and some underground disturbance, the earthquake is a natural disaster. And due to this, what happened? Building break and fall, roads are cracked, many people die, and property get also damaged. So she said ahead, I am Jasma, means her name is Jasma. She live in Kuch area of Gujarat. In Kuch area of Gujarat, she belonging from Gujarat, and she was 11 years old that time, and there was an earthquake. When she was in 11 years old, that time there was an earthquake, and still she is experiencing that bad dream in every morning. She's scared to that earthquake. It was 16 January 2001. In 2001, 16 January, in Kuch area of Gujarat, she was experienced earthquake. Everyone from the village, means her village, children and old people, had gathered in ground of the school to watch the parade on TV. Suddenly, the ground was shaking. That time, all people gathered to watch parade on TV. But that time, suddenly, what happened? The ground was shaking. Ground was start to shake. Then people were scared. They are running everywhere. They are shouting. They are um, asking for help, and they started running here and there. No one knew that was happening and what to do. Suddenly it was happened. That's why no one, all are amazed, all are surprised. What happened? What is going on? So people are going everywhere. There was total panic. There was, all the people was total panic. They don't know what they should to do. They are just running, they are screaming, they are asking for help. So when this earthquake in 26 January 2001, there was earthquake in Kuch in Gujarat. Now you can see here in Gujarat, the map of Gujarat in India. See, the place of Gujarat is showing in red color, and where is Kuch? See, it is a, you can see in Gujarat the place is Kuch here. And more some picture we get from this picture of the Kuch of earthquake from the net. You can see what happened. See the total damage. Building are fall, by building fallen, road is breaking, and all things you can see in this picture. Now see in this picture what she is saying. Now see, one lady is very one lady she have an she has fracture in her leg due to this earthquake. Then again no this one, what she's saying ahead, Jashma is saying, in a few minutes our village was flat on a ground. Within few minutes, within 5 3 minutes, all this village was flat on the ground. The buildings destroy and road destroy, crop and houses, everything destroy due to this earthquake. All our things, clothes, pots, then grains, food grains like rice, dal, pulses, all things, this food were trapped under the stone. They lost everything. So mud and wood from the fallen houses. At that time, everyone thought of two things: to save the people who were trapped and to treat the injured. The village hospital was also damaged. Many people were seriously injured. My leg also got fractured. You can see the picture of Jasma here. She got fracture in her leg. The doctor treated people with the help of the villagers. Some 6 people of our village died. How many died in her village? 6 people died. On lots of village, lots of people got fracture and injured. So uh, her grandfather Nana was also buried under the houses. My mother wept all the time. Seeing my mother, I also cried. The entire village was sad and disturbed. See, we cannot imagine such things in our area. Due to this earthquake, no, everything they lost, their food, their clothes, their houses, even everything they lost. And lots of people get fractured, they get injured, and some people got die. And everyone now just they are doing two things to help the injured and treat the injured people and save the people who were trapped under the houses, under the things. So in her village, Mota Babu, who is the sarpanch of in her village, so you know there is a sarpanch in every village. So Mota Babu, who who is the sarpanch of her village, that Mota Babu's house not much damaged, so he gave rice and wheat to everyone from his godown. He has lots of storage things, rice, wheat, and everything. He store it in her house, and this sarpanch house not got damaged that much. That's why he is helping to the other one, helping to the everyone, and he is giving rice and wheat from his godown. And for many days the village woman cooked food together at Motababu's house and fed everyone. So all these villagers, these ladies come together and they cooked food together and they are serving to everyone. And see, imagine we being without a house in cold winter fair, and the cold kept us awake in the nights. All the time we were worried that there may be another earthquake. So they are scared, they scared to the earthquake. They are just thinking every day, if every day they are thinking maybe another earthquake will arrive. So they lost their confidence, they lost their money, they lost their houses, even they lost everything, their clothes and everything. And there were winter is there, they don't have houses, they are just using the Motababu's houses for cooking food, and they are just eating. So we cannot imagine like this. As we know, in 2 years, before previous 2 years, there were flood came into the Kolhapur and Sangli, and many people helped them. Lots of people, we also helped them. We are donate some money. We are that time we was donate some money and the clothes. So we should help them, such kind of people.